The Avioportolano database of airports, registered and unregistered airfields in Italy is used by ForeFlight as a standard. Acquire information superiority by adding Italy's national VFR chart and the aerodrome's digital informations from Avioportolano. Maps, photos, informations for more than 500 airstrips in Italy, with everything conforming to European regulations. Subscribe to Avioportolano's products for a higher safety and pleasure of your flights. On your computer, open an internet browser and type the address w.foreflight.com. On the website that opens, tap on the top right and log in using your ForeFlight account credentials. Now on the lower left, tap on the Account tab. Then tap on Update or Renew My Subscription. From here, scroll down until the VFR Optional Packages option. By clicking on the plus icon, a drop-down menu will open, where you will be able to select the two Avioportolano's information superiority packages, one for Italy's VFR chart and the other for the AIP VFR Avioportolano Aeronautical information that includes the visual approach charts, the landing charts, and the aerodrome informations. If you are renewing a subscription before its end, don't worry, the price will be prorated based on the remaining time of your current ForeFlight subscription. Now, the only thing left to do is to fill in the payment informations and to click on Buy. It may take up to 15 minutes after the purchase for the files to become visible on ForeFlight. After the purchase, the documents and the digital informations from Avioportolano will be available for download on all the devices where you will use your account. In the app, tap on the lower right on More. By tapping on Download, you will find all the Avioportolano packages ready to be downloaded. Make sure your mobile device has enough available storage and don't close the app because it would stop the download. Once the download is finished, the blue dot will be replaced with the mark of a green tick. To visualize Avioportolano's Italy VFR chart for aerial navigation, go on the Maps section on the lower menu. Then click on the top left to visualize the layers. On the drop-down menu, deselect the current selection and select Avioportolano. The VFR approach charts and the aerodrome informations will be available in all the places where you can already find the aerodrome's charts. In the Charts section, tap on the plus and type the name or the Avioportolano code or the ICAO code of your desired airstrip. By tapping it, a list will appear with all the downloaded charts or where you will be able to download Avioportolano's ones. In the Airport section, select the airport on the left and then on the right tap on Procedure, where you will find Avioportolano's charts. Lastly, in the Maps section, you will be able to tap directly on the airport and in Procedure find the charts. On ForeFlight, all the visual approach charts can be overlaid with georeference on the Avioportolano Italy VFR chart. From the Charts section, by selecting the chart and tapping on the icons Share and then Map, or directly from the map by clicking first on the airport name on the flight plan, then on Show Plate, and then on Visual Approach Chart. or by tapping directly on the airport on Italy's VFR chart, then on Procedure, Visual, and on the icon, Export on Map. The AIP VFR Avioportolano Aeronautical information will be accessible from the Documents section, where you'll be able to find it in the Avioportolano tab in full version, or in the Europe tab inside the folder Italy in the reduced version. You can browse the pages on the lower slider, and the text is written in both Italian and English. So, with a simple online purchase, you will fly in a condition of high-quality information superiority, certified by Avioportolano, and that ForeFlight has chosen to give you safety and comfort during the flight towards your relax and enjoyment. Blue skies from Avioportolano and ForeFlight. Stay updated on w.avioportolano.it.